Hi, good morning friends. Welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today we will be learning how to create a line chart for a set of data in an Excel sheet. So the graphical representation of the reports are actually important while you are doing a presentation or anything in your company. So I will just show you how we can create a line chart. Earlier we have seen how to create pie chart. So today we'll be learning how to go for a line chart for an Excel data. So for that we have a set of data with us. We have months from January to December. We have certain number of leads for each month, and for that actually we are going to create a line chart. So before creating a line chart, you need to select the data for which you need to have that line chart. So this is our data. We need to select it, select the data, then go to insert, and if you go towards the center of this option, you can see certain graphical options there. So if you go there, you can see a line symbol, insert line or area chart. This is the line chart. So just click on that. So there are different types of line charts: 2D line, 3D line, 2D area, 3D area. So here actually we'll be going with the 2D line chart. That's the basic thing. So we have certain options for 2D line charts. We have simple line, stacked line, 100% stacked line, line with markers, stacked line with markers, then stacked line with 100% stacked line with markers. So we since this is our first tutorial on line chart, we'll be going with the first line, symbol line of 2D line chart, and just click on that. Yeah, so now you have got a line chart over here based on the data that you have entered in this field. So you can see that the months are there in the towards the bottom, and we can see the numbers over here. So if you want to display the data over here, like for example on January it's 24, but it's not displayed here. If you want to display here, right click on this line, okay, then you can see that see the option add data labels. Okay, click on that. Yeah, now you can see that the data labels are there for each lines. So it will be easy for you to understand the data in a single look. So that's how we can create a line chart. For if you are not sure, I will just repeat it once again. Just remove it. First select the data you want to create the chart. Click on the insert ribbon, insert tab. You will get the ribbons over here. Then click on this line chart. Take the first option for the time being. Click on that. Yeah, your graph is ready. Then if you want to have you can also create various options for that, various styles for that. If you want to create different style, like you can select it from the top. Then if you want to have another style, you can select it from here. So it goes on like that. So that's it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, just click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and while subscribing, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload new videos, it will come as a notification in your YouTube account. So till then, till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.